Ang dami ang kumita dito ng free crypto at na-convert pa ito into free money, no? Itong Pi Network. And today, ang daming mga questions kung ano nga ba yung next potential airdrop dito, next Pi Network. So pag-usapan natin yan dito sa video natin today kung ano yung tingin ko. I-share ko dito step by step and other updates pa dito na ini-explore ko and nire-research ko, guys, no? So bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first, subscribe na yung YouTube channel natin, turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel, guys, no? So ito nga si Pi Network, isa sa mga kaibahan siguro dito sa pina-farm ko ngayon na airdrop is that kailangan mong magpa-KYC, no? So kailangan mong magpa-verify dito para makumpleto yung mga checklist dito at makuha mo yung pinaka-tokens mo, no? So as of now, ganyan yung pinaka-status and ang tagal, sobrang tagal bago ma-verify, no? And as we can see dito sa ating pinaka-screen, yung status pa din is still migrate to mainnet, no? Ayan, kulay dilaw pa rin siya. So isa ito sa mga hassle na steps dito kay Pi Network. Kaya ngayon naman ay i-share ko yung isa sa mga tingin ko sa potential airdrop na pina-farm ko. And nabigay na rin ito ng free crypto this year. Pero meron silang season to airdrop. So ngayon, guys, ay punta lang kayo sa description ng video natin. And then select nyo lang itong more. Gamit pala natin dito is cellphone. Accessible naman siya. So pwede siyang i-access. And then pagkatapos niyan, ito yung Susu value, which is season to airdrop nila. Once na ma-select natin tong official link, kasi meron itong 10,000 EXP na additional. So select lang natin ito. Ayan, so mariredirect tayo dito sa official website nila. And close lang muna natin ito. And then kailangan lang natin dito, guys, mag-sign up. So kung meron kang X account, pwede yan. Kung meron kang wallet, pwede rin yan. If you have Telegram, pwede rin yan just to sign up or create an account mo. So for now, gagamitin ko dito is yung email ko lang. So mag-send lang dito ng code papunta sa pinaka-email address na ginamit mo dito. Yung ginamit ko dito, guys, na email address is just my secondary email address. Hindi yung pinaka-personal email address ko. This is only a secondary email address. Ayan. So is-send sa'yo yung pinaka-code. Kakopy mo lang ito. Balik ka lang dito. And then i-paste. And then pagkatapos nyan, mariredirect tayo dito. So as you can see, guys, you have 30,000 pala yung pinaka-additional EXP, no? Once na nagamit nyo yung official link na nakalagay sa description ng video na ito. So pagkatapos nyan, kailangan lang kumpletuhin itong starter pack. So as we can see, guys, daily check-in. So every 8 AM ito nag-re-reset. So para kumpletuhin lang ito, you can just visit lang itong button na ito. Ayan. So mapupunta ka lang dito. So you can just scroll lang going down. And then let's go back. And then balik ka lang dito. Ayan, you get additional daily check-in na 1K. And yung kanina na task na ginawa natin ay kailangan lang natin i-verify para makuha natin yung 10K dito, no? So just click verify lang and then magre-reflect na siya dito, guys, no? So after that, meron pa dito mga task na madali lang. You can just visit, scroll ng konti and then back, no? So sa end ko, lahat ng mga pwedeng gawin dito is nagawa ko na, no? So na-unlock ko na ito and like for example, this one, guys, no? And yung points na yan yung i-convert into tokens nila, guys, no? So simple as that. Like for example, this one, listen, you can just listen for this one. Ayan, like for a seconds, then back. And then if ever na andito ka, you can just go here sa EXP. Andito yung mga task, no? So like go here again. And then starter pack, then verify, and then another 10K, so total of 20K. So ganun lang siya, guys, like visit, verify, visit, back, verify. So simple as that. And so on and so forth, guys. Ang lahat ng mga nandito na task ay nagawa ko na, including itong pinaka-desktop app. But if you don't have desktop, okay lang yan. You can just skip that one. Subscribe sa kanilang YouTube channel. And once you've done all of this, meron pa silang additional daily task, no, na kung saan you can accumulate, you can earn points. Just go here sa daily task. And like for example, you just need to like, or you can just go back. And then wait mo lang dito yung pinaka timer. And then after that, you can just verify now. And then like for example, this one, additional 3k once you visit their brand new watch list. So after that, you can just scroll down ng konti, go back on EXP. Ayan. And then you can verify na itong Instagram. And ayun, additional daily task 2k starter pack as well. May ipon yung mga ginagawa mo dito guys sa task, and it will also unlock nung badge dito, no. So kailangan mo at least maging V1 or V2, so you can just upgrade your points dito by continuing no mga simple task, no, like tapusin mo lang itong mga task dito, verify to claim the points, no. So for the daily task, like daily check-in, once you log in, go to EXP, and you will automatically earn ng additional daily points dito guys, no. For daily task naman, ganun lang yung ginawa natin. Like for example, this one, just visit and verify. As we can see, we have additional 5k dito. Garrett, balik lang sa starter pack, visit, verify lahat ng mga available dito guys, no. And after that, ma-upgrade na yung pinaka-badge mo into V1 or V2. At least in my own experience dito, at least V2 guys, no. So daily task and starter pack, kumplituhin lang itong mga to, especially once you created an account. And then for the daily task, you just need to complete this daily task guys, no. So yun, isa ito sa mga inaabangan ko na airdrop. Meron din itong application sa cellphone. Once na makapag-create kayo ng account, you can just download naman yung app and you can log in, no. So yun guys, in terms naman sa kanilang distribution, meron sila ditong pinaka-blog, no, na kung saan available na 30M Sosu tokens Season 2 airdrop 2026 first quarter, no. Ito Q1. So yan yung isa sa mga aabangan natin. And namigay na ito during Season 1. Ang daming mga nakukuha. I get some airdrop as well. And ngayon, tiyagaan lang din, no. Just like what we experience kay Pi Network na ang tagal na rin. Tapos yung iba na nag-antay, may patience talaga, is nabigyan. But then again guys, no, disclaimer lang na yung airdrop, hindi lahat is guaranteed. Ang airdrop is purely speculative, and you should always do research pa rin sa end ninyo para mas magkaroon kayo dito ng informed decisions. And yun lang, I just share my experience dito, and masagot ko na rin yung mga questions, feedback from the community guys, no. So yun lang for today. Sana nagkaroon kayo dito ng insights, other updates, ano yung pina-farm ko, a potential airdrop. And kung meron pa kami mga katanungan, feel free to comment lang sa comment section ng video na ito. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.